In the world of business, a commercial agreement serves as the bedrock of a transaction. These agreements are the foundation upon which successful business relationships are built, providing a clear framework for the exchange of goods, services, and value. It outlines the terms and conditions agreed upon by the parties involved, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. This mutual understanding is crucial for the smooth execution of any business deal. Among these crucial elements, pricing arrangements stand out as a cornerstone. They are not just about numbers, they represent the perceived value and the expectations of both parties. The price is not merely a number, it reflects the value exchanged between parties. It is a critical component that can influence the success or failure of a business transaction. A well-defined pricing arrangement ensures clarity, prevents disputes, and fosters a harmonious business relationship. It sets the stage for trust and cooperation, which are essential for long-term success. Conversely, ambiguity in pricing can lead to misunderstandings, delays, and even legal battles. Such conflicts can erode trust and damage the relationship between the parties involved. This essay delves into the intricacies of pricing arrangements in commercial agreements, shedding light on their significance and various types. We will explore different pricing models and strategies that businesses can adopt to ensure fair and transparent transactions. From simple transactions to complex projects, understanding pricing mechanisms is paramount for both buyers and sellers. It helps in making informed decisions and negotiating terms that are beneficial for all parties. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, this exploration of pricing arrangements will equip you with the knowledge to navigate commercial agreements with confidence. You will learn how to structure deals that are clear, fair, and conducive to long-term success. Let's embark on this journey to demystify pricing arrangements and empower you to make informed decisions in your business endeavors. By understanding the nuances of pricing, you can create agreements that are not only legally sound, but also foster positive and productive business relationships. Imagine a construction project with numerous materials and labor components. A pricing schedule acts as a detailed breakdown of costs, itemizing each element. This transparency allows both the contractor and the client to track expenses and understand the rationale behind the overall price. Pricing schedules are particularly useful when dealing with projects or contracts involving multiple goods, services, or deliverables. They provide a clear and organized way to present pricing information, ensuring both parties are on the same page. For instance, a software development contract might include a pricing schedule outlining the cost per hour for different types of developers, the price of software licenses, and any additional expenses related to project management or testing. By breaking down the pricing into smaller, manageable components, pricing schedules promote transparency, facilitate accurate budgeting, and minimize the potential for disputes arising from unclear pricing structures. Fixed pricing offers a straightforward approach. The parties agree on a set price for a defined scope of work or goods. This method is particularly advantageous in scenarios where the scope of work is clear and unlikely to change. Both parties can enter into the agreement with a mutual understanding of the financial commitments involved. This method provides predictability and ease of budgeting, especially for projects with well-defined requirements. Businesses can plan their finances with greater accuracy, knowing that the costs will remain constant throughout the project duration. This stability is crucial for maintaining financial health and avoiding unexpected expenses. For example, if a bakery orders 100 loaves of bread every week at a fixed price of $2 per loaf, both the bakery and the supplier can anticipate their expenses and revenue accurately. This arrangement allows the bakery to manage its budget effectively, ensuring that it can meet customer demand without financial strain. Similarly, the supplier benefits from a steady stream of income, fostering a reliable business relationship. This predictability simplifies accounting and reduces financial uncertainties. Accountants can record transactions with confidence, knowing that the agreed-upon prices will not fluctuate. This consistency aids in financial reporting and helps businesses maintain accurate financial statements, which are essential for strategic planning and decision-making. However, fixed pricing may not be suitable for projects with a high degree of uncertainty or potential for changes in scope. In dynamic environments where project requirements can evolve, a fixed-price contract might lead to disputes or financial losses. Flexibility is often required to accommodate unforeseen changes and ensure project success. Unforeseen circumstances, such as fluctuations in material costs or changes in project requirements, can impact the profitability of a fixed-price contract. For instance, if the cost of raw materials suddenly increases, the supplier may face reduced profit margins or even losses. Similarly, if the project scope expands, the fixed price may no longer cover the additional work, leading to financial strain. Despite its limitations, fixed pricing remains a popular choice for its simplicity, transparency, and ease of administration, making it suitable for a wide range of commercial transactions. Businesses appreciate the clarity and straightforwardness of fixed pricing as it facilitates smoother negotiations and fosters trust between parties. By clearly defining the financial terms up front, both parties can focus on delivering quality work and achieving their objectives without the distraction of ongoing price negotiations. In contrast to fixed pricing, cost-plus pricing offers flexibility, especially when the exact scope of work is difficult to define up front. This pricing model is particularly useful in scenarios where the project requirements are not fully known at the beginning, allowing for adjustments as the project progresses. This method involves reimbursing the seller for their actual costs incurred in performing the work, which includes materials, labor, and any other expenses directly related to the project, plus an agreed-upon markup or fee to cover their overhead and profit. This markup is typically a percentage of the total costs, ensuring that the seller is compensated fairly for their efforts and resources. Cost-plus pricing is often favored in industries like construction, where projects can be highly variable and subject to numerous changes. Engineering and defense, where the complexity and scale of projects often lead to unforeseen challenges and adjustments, where projects can be complex and subject to change orders. These change orders can significantly alter the scope and cost of the project, making a flexible pricing model essential. For instance, if unexpected site conditions require additional excavation work during a construction project, the cost-plus model allows for these changes to be accommodated without financial strain on the contractor. A cost-plus contract allows the contractor to bill for those additional costs, ensuring that they are not out of pocket for unforeseen expenses, ensuring they are fairly compensated for their work. This approach helps maintain a positive working relationship between the contractor and the client, as both parties understand that the costs are justified. While cost-plus pricing provides flexibility and fairness, it also comes with its own set of challenges. It requires a high level of trust and transparency between the parties. Both the buyer and the seller must be committed to open communication and regular updates on project progress and costs. Buyers need assurance that the seller is managing costs efficiently and not inflating expenses. This can be achieved through detailed cost tracking and regular financial reviews. Therefore, clear cost documentation and regular audits are crucial to maintain trust and prevent disputes. These audits help ensure that all expenses are legitimate and that the project is staying within budget. In essence, cost-plus pricing offers a balanced approach, accommodating the uncertainties inherent in certain projects while ensuring fair compensation for the seller's efforts, accommodating the uncertainties inherent in certain projects. This flexibility is particularly valuable in dynamic industries where project requirements can change rapidly, while ensuring fair compensation for the seller's efforts. By fostering a collaborative environment, cost-plus pricing helps both parties achieve their goals efficiently and effectively.